All right, guys. So pretty much, this is my arcade. These buttons are huge. The cables are huge. So I couldn't make it as compact as I wanted. But I have a battery, a lithium battery that's really flat and really long. I have a lithium battery charger. I have what else? I have a joystick and have a Raspberry Pi Zero, $20 screen, LCD screen that I found on eBay. And what I did is I ran the cable for the video because this cable, the HDMI cable, is huge. So I'm gonna try to get rid of it. The only problem with this is that with the HDMI you can run audio and play your sound with this speaker. If I do this cable, which is smaller, I'm gonna have to install a speaker, which is okay because the bonnet has a speaker out, so that's a good thing. I should have made these cables longer because there's really tight over here. I already tested these yesterday, but the battery wasn't providing enough cable for the screen, so the screen wasn't powering it up. So I had to plug it in separately. So what I did is that I ran power cables to the screen through the Raspberry Pi Zero. Hopefully that should work. Okay, so just gotta put this in. I didn't put it in before the video because I want to show you what I did with the cables. All right. I also have a power switch right here. So this should work using the HDMI cable right now. You have to program this Raspberry Pi to output through this cable. But I haven't done that yet. So the only thing I'm testing right now is to make sure that the screen powers up right now using these cables. So hopefully it works. I just gotta make sure that I have enough room to turn this around. Shit. All right, let's see if this works. Turn it on. It's powering it up. Oh, it's powering both of them up. Let's see if it boots. Sometimes it doesn't boot all the way because it doesn't have enough power. So it keeps booting and booting over, which I think that's what's happening right now. I don't think there's enough output for both screen and the on the Raspberry Pi. All right, well, so that didn't work out. I'm gonna go get my power cable and my extension cord, and then we'll try this again.